Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how you can post on YouTube a video and that will be scheduled automatically to be shared on Twitter. So when you post something on YouTube, that will go straight away in Twitter and you can add some predefined messages and stuff like that. You can put some hashtags and stuff like that. So this will be an end-to-end process using Power Automate. So let's start. So friends, let's start now doing this. First thing what you do, you go in Power Automate, you go to templates and you will see all those templates around here and you type here, obviously we want to share whatever we post on YouTube to share on Twitter. So we type here YouTube, simple as that. And the first template there, we use this one, YouTube to Twitter, perfect. You have to have the connections here, I have the connections already done. My email. Obviously, for the first step, you don't have to do anything because when you post something on YouTube, this will go straight away on Twitter. Now, next thing, Twitter. You can add some text there. Let's say you want to say, check out this new YouTube video I uploaded. Or we can say like more customized, check out this Power Automate tutorial. Simple as that. And after that we add some stuff. Let's say I would love to add the title. I want the people to see the title. And after that I would love to add let's say some hashtags. Put here my company. That's it, basically. We save it, and now let's do a test. I will upload a video. Okay, I'll just upload this intro. I think it's short, so I'll just put intro and next. Yes, next, oh sorry, yes, next, publish. Okay, perfect. So we have this video posted. Want to make sure that this one was posted. Just standard quality. And let's test it now. Test. Let's see if we get any error. Okay, your flow ran successfully. So this went successfully. We go on Twitter. Here we go. Check out this Power Automate tutorial intro and the name intro Ado. That's the name of the tutorial and the hashtags. This hashtag it's not showing us hashtag because I just put the space there and this as well. But that's no problem. You got the idea. Okay, so this is basically everything what you can do to automate your YouTube with your Twitter.